How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect or link your notes together in Obsidian. So in my case, I have two notes right here. Basically, I have example 1 and example 2. Now, to link them together, it's going to be extremely simple. Just head over to the node that you want to link with. In my case, I'm going to be using example 1. And then you want to type this character right here. So you want to press it 2 times. It will automatically fill up like this one. And now you can simply answer the name of your note. So in our case, it's going to be example 2. And then it will look something like this. So you could just finish up your typing. In my case, I'm going to hit enter. And then it's this right here. And so if you want to go ahead and preview your other note, you can just hover on it and then you will be able to preview it. In my case, that feature is disabled, so I'll just click on it and then it will take me to my connected note or link note right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.